Hi everyone. E-paper is a useful marketing tool for a company, but sometimes you have to deploy an independent system just for e-paper, which is relatively not friendly to IT guys or a small-scale company in terms of budget. So ShareTech Mail Server supports e-paper feature. Administrator can manage mail system and e-paper system in the same web page. So first, administrator needs to go to e-paper setting and set the sender IPv4 address. So like right here, I can set up a private IP address, and which can be different from mail server IP address. So I suggest admin use different private and public IP address for e-paper mail sending, because e-paper mail flow is tremendous. So perhaps this public address will be put into RBL's ban list or customer's mail server blacklist, which cause problem on normal mails transferring. And right here sets how many mails to be sent in 10 minutes. And please consider your usual mail flow or network flow before you set the number. And we could let the system resend the e-paper if they failed. So right here sets how many the resend time is and how much time this resend gonna wait from the last time. And for those accounts who replied SMTP error code or failed message, admin can enable automatically disable to suspend the accounts automatically, which means we don't send e-paper to this account next time. And what's more, you can enable automatically deleted whenever the reply is a reject or non-respondent. System will delete this account in the group and select which connect type the unsubscribed link will be, and set which IP or domain in this link. And down below, you can set how long this log will stay, and 0 means the system doesn't delete them. After we have done with e-paper setting, now please go to the DKIM setting to set the DKIM on local domain or non-local domain. If you want the e-paper sent by local accounts, please select which DKIM file goes to the local domain. Or you could set a DKIM file to a non-local domain. We all know e-paper is sometimes annoying, so we must have a unsubscribe system. If you don't put an unsubscribe link in your e-paper contents, the recipient can't return an unsubscription request. So we support unsubscribe setting, letting admin define which way the unsubscribe mailbox can be set. So there are 3 ways to generate an unsubscribed mailbox, including customized by user and designated by the manager. Or you can choose provide by admin in accordance with the domain. So it's up to the administrator. So if the user has set unsubscribed mailbox, then system will replace the original source format so that MUA can identify this is an e-paper and know where they should return an unsubscription request. Okay, so after all of those settings in e-paper setting, the last move is that you need to enable publishing e-paper in user management. So like, let's go into this account, press edit, and just make sure you have enabled publishing e-paper in this account. And let's go to webmail interface to learn how to schedule an e-paper. Log into the accounts we just enabled on the e-paper function. Then you will see there's e-paper on the tab. So first we have to create an account group. Press create group and type in the name and add accounts you want to send e-paper, or you can import the file. Okay, so then press OK. So both of status are enabled in default as the first time. Once we have done creating the group, we can go to schedule an e-paper. So let's go to create a new e-paper, press new e-paper. Type in the subject of this e-paper and select the time and which group you want to send it. Okay, and as for the content of this e-paper, we support two formats, HTML and EML. I suggest you can send it to yourself as a mail after your e-paper content is ready. Then download that mail as EML file. Also, you could add an unsubscribe link in the contents. Please open the EML file as Notepad. And you could add an A link like this one in this e-paper content. Press save and then upload this file to the e-paper and press right here. You can preview how it's gonna look like. If you don't set unsubscribe link in the content, then you can set an unsubscribed mailbox right here. So like Yahoo Mail will generate an unsubscribed link into this e-paper mail automatically because it is identify an e-paper, but we can't make sure every MUA can do this. So I suggest add an unsubscribe link in the contents directly will be a good choice. So press OK and wait for it to finish sending out. So after it's finished, you can check the detail log about this e-paper delivery in e-paper log. So like a success list or failure list, and moreover you can download the detail variable. Okay, so it will tell you what SMTP message they returned. So whenever recipients unsubscribe, admin can check which accounts have unsubscribed, and you can even disable send, so next time they won't receive the e-paper. An administrator can check every event in this event log. And please define the condition to search the information you want to know. Okay, we have done introducing the e-paper setting and how to schedule an e-paper on your webmail page. So if there's a requirement on e-papers, you guys can purchase an e-paper package to have this great function. But please evaluate the server efficiency and mail flow first, then arrange the e-paper schedule. Hope you guys can take advantage of this marketing tool to promote sales. Thank you for your watching.